Welcome to this demonstration where we'll show you how PR users can edit the online form. Please note, the values shown are for demonstration purposes only and do not represent real grant data. I'm logged in as a PR user, and from the PR reporting page, I will click on my ongoing form. Once there, I click on the Online Form tab, and this will open the online form in a new tab. There are a couple of important things to note about this page. This icon on the top right shows me whether the page is currently connected to the internet. If the status shows offline, I can continue working and my data will be stored locally until I connect again to the internet, when it will save. The online form has an autosave functionality that will save any data I input as soon as I click out of the cell. I can also click on the Save button here to save more frequently. Finally, in order to refresh the page, I can click on the Refresh Form button here. The first page I see when I enter the online form is the cover sheet. This is a read-only page that shows me important information I need to know about my grant and has an executive summary of my grant performance. The executive summary will be auto-completed with the data that I will input in the Self-Assessment tab. Now let's input some data. As a user, I will navigate the form through this menu on the left, where you can see there are three main sections: Programmatic, Financial, and PSCM and Grant Management. Clicking on the small arrows to the left reveals and collapses the tabs beneath each section. Note that the Coverage Elementary Indicator tab is only available for Grant Cycle 7 implementation periods. I've clicked on that tab, and I see the list of available indicators for reporting. To provide results, I click on the Provide Results link, which opens this pop-up where I can input my results for the current reporting period. And I can also make updates or correct the results from the previous reporting period. Then I will click Close. Next, I'll navigate to the Coverage Indicator tab. And here, I'll input my comments in the same way. Under Financial, we can expand to see all the tabs required for the online form. I'll click on Cash Reconciliation. Here, I will input the data directly in the form, which will save as I go. The other tabs under this section will work in the same way. Now I'll navigate to the PSCM and Grant Management section and click on the Health Products tab. Here, I can select data from the drop-down menus. I can select dates by clicking on this calendar icon. Or I can input the data directly in the online form. And this will save the data automatically. The remaining tabs in this section will work in the same way. Once I finish inputting my data for all tabs, I will move on to check if I have received any data quality errors or warnings, which are covered in the next demo. Thank you for following along.